This is the complete motorcycle, and this is the frame that supports every major component. The fuel tank stores gasoline, while the seat provides comfort for the rider. The airbox channels clean air, and the air filter removes dust before it reaches the engine. The battery supplies electrical power, and the ECU controls the engine.
The wiring harness carries electrical signals, while the fuel injector delivers fuel into the engine.
The throttle body controls airflow, and the spark plug ignites the fuel mixture. The radiator removes heat, while the cooling fan improves airflow.
The exhaust header collects engine gases, and the muffler reduces exhaust noise.
The engine produces power, and the cylinder head houses the valves. The piston moves inside the cylinder to generate engine power. The connecting rod transfers motion to the crankshaft. The camshaft operates the valves, while the clutch transfers engine power. The oil pump circulates engine oil, and the water pump circulates coolant. The front forks absorb impacts, while the handlebar controls steering. The front wheel supports the bike, and the brake disc provides stopping power. These brake calipers squeeze the discs to slow the motorcycle. The swing arm supports the rear wheel, while the rear shock smooths out bumps. The drive chain transfers engine power to the rear wheel. It's connected here to the sprocket. The front and rear sprockets work together with the chain to move the motorcycle. Together, these components form a complete motorcycle, working as one machine to deliver power, control, and safety.